Hello, hi, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm thinking of doing doll room tour. I think it's been like a year. When I doing this video. So today I'm going to show you an update of my doll rooms for 2020. And there's a lot of going on to the world right now with COVID and stuff, and I hope you guys are doing well and safe and sound. Stay at homes and get your vaccines, and I've got my vaccine today. So the room is over there, the sneak peek. So let's go. Are you guys ready to see my door room? So before that, this is my work room right now, because everyone is work from home, and I sometimes do a meetings in the door rooms as well. So let's go. This is door. Ta-da! So I'm so sorry if my room is messy a bit, because like I say, I do a meeting here as well. So this is my door rooms. So let's switch on the lamp. So ta-da! So this is my door rooms. So I'm probably going to move this chair because I can't open the closet rooms. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'm going to show you. So I'm using the ring light as well, so you guys can see more clear. I don't know where to start. Maybe I'm going to start from the top to the bottoms, and from the bottom to the top. So I'm not going to say or let you know every single names of the doll. When you have too many dolls, you can't remember each one of them. So now I'm going to start rumble, and I shut my mouth, and I'm going to show you the doll. So this is the top shelf. I have Blythe MIDI doll here. So this is my second shelf. I'm going to move the camera slowly. Here at the very bottom, we have ISO collection here. We have Blythe here and a mermaid. And over here we have Mobilize. This is my own custom. This is the only boy that I have in my collections. This is inspired by kids. So this is the top. I have my custom doll. I custom myself. And this one I've bought from Brazil. And this one I've custom myself. This is vampire. She is vampire. at the back we have mobilize. I can't remember the lines, I'm sorry. And let's move to the last cabinet. So we have here plies and pullets. This is my own custom pullets. The theme is my Melody. She is very old. I custom her when I started collect doll. So this is my other pullets, and this one is also my custom. So at the back we have Kimmy. So down here we have more pull-ups, and I can't remember what is this. Kiki Pops. So I have only one Kiki Pops in my collections. So I have Steampunk. I don't know, but I can't remember her name. So we move down here. We have Tifona and Mad Hatters at the back, and my custom pull-ups. And here Aurora, I guess. Correct me if I were wrong. And last but not least, here we have Edward and this Mr. Rabbit. And at the back I can't remember the names. So guys, I think that's it. So guys, this is one last look. I think that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it and enjoy this video. So guys, bye.